Okay, first of all, I'm very happy to see a question in my comment box which is related to our field. It will make you develop more because I will create more videos from today that any question is related to our field in front-end of VLSI coding related stuff. So I will make this video. You will also get help from that, and your answer, you can also get your answers. Okay, so if I am not busy, I will definitely make a video about your comment and your questions. So this is our question. So bro, as you have shown in this video, the error message displayed in console is not directly saying about that what actually the error is, how to identify them correctly in some cases. So let's go to that code.
Hit subscribe, like, and comment now. Let's begin the journey of verification.
I have already run this code that it is working perfectly fine, and you should know that from a coder perspective. Okay, first of all, you should understand that you haven't done any syntax error. If you have done syntax error, the first line will give you a syntax error. Okay, so let's say I have written something here without semicolon. Okay, so see, it is saying that missing syntax error and missing semicolon. We can also change the tool to cadence. Okay, so what it is saying, missing of ASCII, or this is old version of compiler of cadence. See, it is saying that there is semicolon is missing and expecting something, syntax error is there, semicolon, you can understand semicolon. So you can understand this, that semicolon is missing, or end class is missing, or something is missing. So syntax error is not a problem for a coder or any field in related to coding. Okay, this is not a problem because you will have a proper tool, and that tool is modern tool which will help you to understand there is no syntax error, and it will also highlight where your syntax error. In Xilium you will have like this a mark. It will be of red color that there is some error. Okay, there is no possibility of our compile error. Now your error is about our hierarchy. Okay, so this is called fatal error because hierarchy is not proper. See, it is giving us some unknown error import or something related to that. So wherever the hierarchy are there, you have to see there where the hierarchy is not proper. Okay, first is this hierarchy. So this is error package, it will always say packet. Wherever there is hierarchy problem, it will first go to package, and you have to understand whole hierarchy, and then you have to solve that error. Okay, it's time consuming, but it is how you have to see. So you only have to concern about hierarchy here. Okay, so first we will make it proper, then I will show you another hierarchy problem. Okay, so your question answer is like, this is the error specifically coming because of hierarchy. So you don't have to see about compiler or any kind of other error. You will understand that this is hierarchy problem. So first we have cleared this one. Okay, now we will change another hierarchy. Here hierarchy we will change design, or this interface, we will make this interface above design. Okay, sometimes it gives error. Let's see, it should give error. I don't yeah, see here another error. Okay, hierarchy error, it is all hierarchy error. Okay, so this type of thing is time consuming, but you will understand while working with your coding, and when you will get experience about this coding your codes or creating testbench multiple times, you will have experience about that this is our hierarchy error and where can the hierarchy be disturbed. Okay, and in modern tools they help that which file and which thing has error. Okay, so you don't have to worry about how to solve this type of error. Okay, compile error and fatal error, you will get some help with the compiler, but if you want to understand that if there is nothing written in that error except this fatal error, then it is tool error. Okay, now if there is a tool error, so you have here is in EDA I cannot show that, but if there is you say cadence tool is there, synopsis tool is there, so there will be error 111 something like this. So you can search this in Google or ChatGPT or anywhere to browse, okay, or in cadence help also. So this you have to copy this, paste that there, and you will understand that why this error is coming, okay. So in this way your experience also get increased, how to solve errors and everything. And the common errors I can help you with that, but I cannot help you with every error. But mostly I have answered the question, like if syntax error is there, then you will know that it is a syntax error. If hierarchy error is there, then you will know that it is fatal error, so directly check for hierarchy. And mostly the tool will help you with that. It is not like EDA, and with experience you can also understand which hierarchy has a problem. As I given the tip in previous video, you can also use display statement for data. Third is there, if the both cases are not there, then directly go for the code of that error 112 or some code will be there, paste it in your help section or any ChatGPT or anything, and you can assert that error and you can solve that error, okay. So this is our job, to find the errors and solve the errors, okay. So it will be not easy, but I think I have answered this question. So thank you. Let's hope for new comments.
Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.